Bentayga, the definitive luxury SUV. No other SUV can compete with the Bentayga when it comes to craftsmanship, comfort, or sheer exhilaration. Available with a 4.0-liter V8 petrol engine or a 3.0-liter hybrid, it is a luxury SUV without compare. A choice without compromise. With a choice between a V8 petrol engine and a V6 hybrid powertrain, the Bentayga is packed with the latest lifestyle-enhancing technology, from driver assistance systems to connected services. With a choice of 4-seat, 4+1, and 5-seat configurations, you can take everyone and everything with you, wherever you go. The quintessential Bentayga is the definitive luxury SUV, with the stunning Bentayga Azure taking well-being to new heights, while the bold Bentayga S features eye-catching sports styling. Prepare to turn heads. Atop a sculpted front bumper sits an imposing grille, its design dependent on your choice of model. The sports-focused Bentayga S features a black matrix grille with a black surround, while the Azure model features bright chrome, vertical veined grilles, and the base model has a black matrix grille with a chrome surround. The vehicle's commanding stance is emphasized by exquisitely designed wheels. 21 years. Wheels are standard on the Bentayga, while the Bentayga Azure and Bentayga S are fitted with their own 22 wheels as standard. A choice of finishes includes the new pale Brodger satin finish for the 22 5-spoke wheel. The tread plates on every model features the inscription, handcrafted in Crewe, England, while animated welcome lamps are now available as an option on all models.